Hello! In front of me I have Suunto 9 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this device. First, we need to open the settings, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or swiping down on the touchscreen, basically to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings icon, and then tap on the settings icon or press the middle button to enter. In settings, select the general option by tapping on it or by pressing the middle button. Of course, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, right? But select the general, press the button or tap on it, then scroll down by pressing the down button or scrolling on the screen. Find the power saving option, and as you can see now it's disabled. And to enable the power saving mode, simply press the button or tap on the option like this to flip it on. So if you press the button, you can also flip it on. And once you turn on the power saving mode, you can press and hold the middle button a couple of times to go back to watch face, like this. Okay, so that's how you enable the power saving mode. To disable it, basically retrace the steps. Enter the settings, general, power saving, and tap on it or press the middle button to disable it. And then you can press and hold the middle button to go back or swipe right on the screen, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.